In this presentation, you will learn how to delete information in a table. So you will have existing information in a table, and for some reason you don't require the details in the table, and it will then be deleted. Let's look at how the delete statement works. So here we say delete from your table name, and you usually have a restriction in terms of what it is you want to delete. You need to be very careful, very cautious when you're working with the delete, because if not used correctly, you could wipe out the entire contents of your table. So, for example, if you say delete from table name and you leave out the where, that could be dangerous, where your entire table contents will be deleted. And that is why the where part comes in. By using the where, you add a restriction in terms of what information you want deleted in the table. The table we're working with is the TBL actors, and you should be quite familiar with the fields that we are working with. And we will look at how to go about deleting one specific record, how to delete some records, or if you really want to, how to then go and delete all the records in your table. So let's look at this. How will I remove actor ID 1? He is no longer required for whatever the reason may be. I now want to delete actor ID 1 from my table. So you are going to say delete from TBL actors where actor ID equals 1. Again, the where is based on my primary key, and because my primary key is unique, when I say actor ID 1, it's going to delete one specific record in the table. In the next example, I want to delete all the actors who are foreigners. I don't need those actors anymore. In my table, I only want to keep those actors who are local. So we're going to say delete from TBL actors. And again, we put in our condition. But this time around, the foreigners are in the field is local. And when is local equals false, it means it is a foreigner. So here we are deleting from TBL actors, and all the foreigners in that table will be wiped out. And the last example is delete the entire contents of the table, and that's you don't need a where. Delete from TBL actors. That will wipe out the entire table. As I indicated, it could be a dangerous statement. Ensure that you have a backup before you do something like this, as it would delete everything inside of your table.